A Susla yard produces high-end custom aluminum boats, offering the best solutions to fit your needs. Its current flagship, AluVenture 40R motorboat, is the ticket to your next adventure, and the next, and the next, for years to come. It is fast, stable, and powerful. Hitting turns is pure joy. The boat requires low maintenance and can withstand harsh conditions. We start by mapping your wants and needs and preparing conceptual 3D designs to choose from. You can also take your pick from a variety of interior materials, equipment, and electronics. In the next stage, our engineers, together with the naval architect, design the boat's aluminum structure, as well as set the stage for fitting electronics, furniture, and other add-ons. Only then can our experienced crew start manufacturing. We manufacture and assemble the aluminum parts, electronic equipment, interior and exterior furniture, as well as engines. And then, your new boat is ready for action. So, what will your next adventure be?